Hello, welcome to my channel. We talk about everything renovations, DIY, travel, and life. Anything that actually helps you to better your life, that's what we talk about. So if you enjoy that type of content, continue to like, subscribe, and join us. So today, my son and I, we enjoy going into new construction homes and we look at how it's being constructed to give us ideas on our next home or some things we can consider in our current home. Today, we are looking at a one-story rancher, and you saw the picture earlier. And I love the ceilings there, the indented ceilings. I know there's a specific name for that, but they're always beautiful in my eyesight. That is the walk-in closet, and this is the actual main master bedroom. It looks average size, and it will have a tub and a shower and also a toilet over to your right. So it is average size. I would say that this home is a typical home, and I think it's starting in the Central Virginia area for around the low 300, no, excuse me, high 300s, low 400s. So now we're walking in, and that we're coming from the garage area, and this is the living room space. Coming in from the door, you can release the front door, you can see the living room space, and you would go to the right for your master bedroom. You return to your left, and you see this is where the kitchen will be, also where the island will be as well. So it is a nice open concept home, and this is the pantry with the refrigerator right beside it. What I like about this home is that there is a two-door or French doors to go outside to the patio. That is just nice and beautiful. I do like that. And it does have a little, I call it a kitchen area or eatery right there. And if you go to your left, you'll be able to go into the second living area. This is a three-bedroom home made by Ryan Homes. And this is the typical bedroom, probably where you would your children would be. And that is the, look at him, he's just so cute. That is the closet. And if you move over, go down the hall just a tad bit, you'll see the second or third bedroom. A tad bit bigger, but not too much, with the same size closet. Straight down the hall is a, okay, that was my other son. Don't worry, we're okay. Straight down the hall, you're going to see a small bathroom, and I guess they are just testing out to make sure that the water doesn't leak. And this is actually the entire home. So if you're looking for a nice size home, an average size home, that's good for just a four people, three-bedroom home, nice open concept. Hopefully this gave you some ideas on how you can structure your home. And as you can see here, we're walking out. It is a beautiful neighborhood, beautiful neighborhood. I was thinking about going out to look at the other house beside it, the neighbor house, but I decided against it. I love the colors of these homes now. They are nice, rich colors as opposed to a few years back, it used to just be white and tan. So I hope you enjoyed this content. I know it is a very quick video, but if you liked it, make sure you subscribe to the video, comment, and as always, peace.